How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So exercise, the technique that we're going to be doing today is going to be whistling with just our mouth, no fingers or hands, none of that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This is very basic to do, but a lot of people cannot do that, which is perfectly fine. I will teach you. And again, this is just whistling practice. We're chilling, nothing too serious. If you can't do it, don't get upset. It does take a little bit of time to learn how to do this good. So take some practice, don't worry. We'll whistle for about 10 seconds and we'll take a break. So let's get started. So just like that, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Again, my lip positioning, that's huge. Lip positioning and tongue position. So lips should be like this. So a little bit of a hole. Tongue position, your tongue should be on the bottom of your mouth, touching your teeth like this. So again, you want your tongue, the tip, to be pushing against your bottom teeth. So again, you want to put it, you want to push it against the bottom of your teeth, but you don't want to push it to the very bottom of your mouth. So don't push here, push against here. So again, we'll do another 10 seconds. Just like that, my friends, just like that. We will do another and then keep going. So yeah, one more video after this, and then I am done for the evening. I'm pretty happy about that. Should finish roughly 6 o'clock. Did 2 hours in the morning of YouTube, did 3 hours in the afternoon. Generally, it's the other way. I do more in the morning and a little bit less in the afternoon, but my iPhone screwed up today. Cost me like an hour or two, so whatever. Let's do another 10 seconds. Again, if you do these for a very long period of time, you could get lightheaded. That's why I only recommend doing them for 10 seconds. Don't do them for 30 seconds. Don't do them for 20 seconds. Don't do them for 20 seconds. Don't do them for 30 seconds. 10 seconds is more than enough. We will do 2 more sets and then we are done. Okay, let's do it again. Just like that, one more set, and then we will be done, guys. Okay, we'll do another 10 seconds and then we are done. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.